Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. And this video we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for coming week from 10th to 14th May month. First we'll see Nifty for a weekly levels, and already posted a video on April last week. Says that Nifty it is in buy trend and it is in accumulation zone, and we have to buy it, and we can keep the target 15,129. So the same level it is still going on. And when I was uploaded the last video, Nifty was trading around this level, and I said it is clearly a buy trend. It is in accumulation zone, and as long as Nifty start trading above 14,400, we can expect up to 15,100, and the maximum target of the upside level that is 15,376. This is what the level we have seen on that particular video. And as I said, the same Nifty it is moving only higher, and again it came back and it took a support, and again it is trying to move up. So still I'm expecting the Nifty movement should be at the top. 15,129 is our minimum target. So don't go short now. So there is no selling opportunity in the short term view, like in the weekly view. So only intraday we can, if we get any selling chance, and we can do selling. That level also I'll tell you. So for as of now, the weekly view for Nifty is buying, and there is a chance of 15,129 and 15,376. These are the levels. And as I said in the April last week video, so Nifty as long as trading above 14,400, and we can expect minimum 15,100 and the maximum target of 15,376. So in case Nifty break 14,161, and we can expect further down. So now you be in the buy side. For intraday, you can take a small target of sell side. Even if you are getting any buy pattern, that will be better, because I'm looking a bullish market like in the coming week also. So we'll see short term view for tomorrow trading. For tomorrow, the intraday levels, we can expect a sell range, the sell level, since it is the intraday levels, and we can expect sell from 14,884, and the stop loss it should be like 14,945. That is around 60 point, 55 to 60 point your stop loss level. And if you want to sell Nifty, then you can use the sell number 14,884, and now also it is in sell zone. In the short term trading, we can expect a sell, and there is a chances of 14,700 the downside. So Nifty can come downside till 14,700 and 14,641 again. So this is what the level for tomorrow. Tomorrow means Monday 10th May. So now it is in the sell zone. So this is particularly we can expect some selling chance, and in case any gap up, and if it is opening in this 14,800 level, then we can expect a sell, and we can expect a target 14,700, and the next target is 14,641. So this is what I'm expecting. In case if it is breaking 14,945 and trading above this level, you can just check 5 minutes candle. So any 5 minutes candle closing above, and next candle opening above this level and trading here, and if in case any consolidation, and there is a possibility further up, because weekly we are in bullish. So better exit your position if in case stop loss triggered, and take buy entry. That the buy entry should be at a retest of this level, and again the stop loss must be 14,823. So we'll see tomorrow, because I'm not expecting much bigger move, since it is in the distribution. This we call it as a distribution zone. So since it is in distribution, so again one more high if comes, at around this level, and we can try to sell, and we can expect target of 14,700. The next target 14,641. This is short term, that is for tomorrow trade. I'm giving this level, and even every day I'll try to post daily levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now we'll see Bank Nifty weekly, and then for intraday also we'll see the levels. And Bank Nifty also we have clearly mentioned that in the April last week video. So Bank Nifty also it is in buy zone. So as long as trading above 30,976, there is a possibility of 35,300 and 36,800. And Bank Nifty given very good movement in the next week itself, and it started moving up in approximately for 3,000 plus point we have captured. And again now it is in the correction mode. So again I'm expecting a bull run, and 35,300 is the ultimate target. And the next target is 36,864. This is for weekly level, and there is a possibility of reaching these levels. And don't go short in the long term, like in the short term weekly view. And if it is any shorting opportunity in the intraday level, then we can use it. Otherwise don't go short, and try to buy in every dip. So already after my video, that last video, and the market started moving up, and it given a very good return, 3,000 plus points in a week time. So now it is in the correction mode. So again I'm expecting a upward movement. In case any down movement towards 30,976, try to buy again. So our ultimate stop loss is 29,584. As long as this 29,584 safe, then we can always try to accumulate bank stocks and even Bank Nifty future also with some pitching. This is weekly level, and we'll see intraday. That is for tomorrow trade. We'll see levels. So if you see intraday levels, Nifty it is almost in the selling zone, but Bank Nifty it is still in the buy area. Like we can accumulate at this level, any level, and in case of any gap down tomorrow towards 32,400 or towards 32,700, this level we can start buying option, or even we can start buying a future. And even banking stock also we can look for a buy. And for intraday, for tomorrow trading 10th May, I'm expecting Bank Nifty levels must be 32,400 to 33,856. This is the level I'm expecting. And in case of breakdown, in case Bank Nifty breaks 32,41 this level, and if it is trading more than 10-15 minutes, you can watch 5 minutes candles. So if it is continuously trading below this level, then we can expect further fall. Otherwise, if any dip is opportunity to buy, it will move upside only. So anyway we are in the bullish in the weekly view also. So here also I'm getting a bullish chance to buy this Bank Nifty. So this is the area we have to concentrate, and we can buy in case any gap down or any dip in the intraday. And ultimately we can expect a target of 33,489, and the next target is 33,856. This is the level I'm expecting tomorrow. Even now Bank Nifty is moving minimum 600 to 700 point in intraday. So we can expect a good target tomorrow itself. So any further selling opportunity, we have to look below 30 to 41. Until there is any dip, there's a chance to buy a Bank Nifty, because weekly also it is in buy, and even intraday also I'm expecting a buy. So this is the levels for coming week in Nifty, Bank Nifty. And even I try to post every day intraday levels for both indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. And dear friends, this is spot level, not a future level, and this is spot market, and you have to watch my levels with spot, not with the future. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for watching this.